Hi and welcome to a little tutorial about how to create a Google form to get feedback from your students. So you just open the internet, go into Google. Once you're in Google, I assume logged in to Google, you then can click on this little grid and find Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, navigate to where you want to make your survey, just according to your own filing system. I've made a new folder called temporary just for this tutorial. And then you're going new, and this is where you create new Google stuff, and this time we're looking for Google Forms. So we're creating a new Google form, and here it comes. I'll first give it a name, survey. And once you've typed it into there, if you click up here, it automatically names it the same name as you've put in down there. Now this is where we're putting our questions. My first question is going to be called, what's your name? Use capitals if you're tidy. Now you can choose your type of question over here. This time it's a short answer. But I could have also chosen a multiple choice in which you can only choose one answer, or check boxes where the students can choose multiple answers, drop down little list, longer piece of text, but I'm going with short answer because hopefully the name isn't very long. And that is all for that question. So that's the first question made. Second question, so you click on this plus whenever you want to add a new question. I'll make a multi-choice one. What color is best? Option 1, blue. Option 2, red, and add other, so the students can choose another one, can type in their own color if they want to. You know how it goes. Then I think we'll just go with 2 questions because this is just to show you how you'd add more questions by clicking on that. You can also add images and videos, but I've never really done that, but it's not a bad idea. So now my survey is made. Let me have a little look, preview what it's going to look like when it's live. And that's what my survey would like. Very short survey would look like, very short survey, and it's purple. Actually, if I decided I didn't like purple, I could go into the color palette and change it. I could also go into the color palette and click on that little picture there and choose a fancy theme out of all of these ones. And come on, should be giving me something up here. Oh, so nice. Okay, let's choose that one, select, and in a minute it will apply that theme to my survey to make it look fancier. So that's the survey made and prettified. Now I need to share it with my students. You click on send. When you send it, you can either type in all the students' emails, but that gets very, very boring, or you can give them the link. Now you could email this link to them or post it in your classroom page, or if you really needed to type it up on the board, because it's kind of a long, horrendous link for the students to type in themselves, you probably want to use a URL shortener, which is a whole nother topic, but they're really easy. You can get a shorter URL. Anyway, so I've sent my form. The last thing we need to do is look at the responses. So you click on responses. You've got to click this once to create a spreadsheet, and create new spreadsheet, survey responses, create, and it will be putting that in the same folder as the survey in your own Google Drive. And this is what the responses look like. Each time a student fills in my survey, it will add a row to the spreadsheet. At the moment no one's done it, so it's empty, and the timestamp always comes up, tells you when it was answered. The answers to your questions show up down here, and I think that's all you need to know. Enjoy.